Hello, welcome to my channel Speak with Math. Here I am solving some problems in inverse Laplace transform. If Laplace transform of f of t, that is L of f of t is equal to f of s, then f of t is called the inverse Laplace transform. Inverse Laplace transform of f of s, that is Laplace L inverse of f of s is equal to what? F of t. F of t is equal to L inverse of f of s. For example, inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus a is equal to e raised to minus at. Since Laplace transform of e raised to minus at is equal to 1 by s plus a. And the first problem is 2 pi divided by s plus pi, that is L inverse of 2 pi divided by s plus pi. Here I can take 2 pi outside, that is 2 pi into L inverse of 1 by s plus pi, since the linearity of the inverse Laplace transform. Using linearity theorem, we can take 2 pi outside, that is L inverse of a constant a f of s plus another constant b into g of s is equal to a into L inverse of f of s plus b into L inverse of g of s, that is a into f of t plus b into g of t by the linearity of inverse Laplace transform. Now, so that becomes 2 pi into L inverse of 1 by s plus pi is equal to what? 2 pi into L inverse of 1 by s plus pi is what? E raised to minus pi into t. Since Laplace transform of e raised to minus at is equal to 1 by s plus a. Laplace transform of e raised to minus at is 1 by s plus a. Here in the place of a we have pi. So Laplace transform of e raised to minus pi t is what? 1 by s plus pi. So L inverse of 1 by s plus pi is e raised to minus pi t. So the answer is 2 pi into e raised to minus pi into t. Now the second one is 12 divided by s square plus 16. Inverse Laplace transform of 12 divided by s square plus 16. We know that Laplace transform of sin at is equal to a divided by s square plus a square. A divided by s square plus a square. Here 12 into L inverse of 1 by s square plus 16. 16 is 4 square. So we can write 12 as 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is 12. 4 divided by s square plus 4 square. That is, by linearity theorem we can take 3 outside. 3 into L inverse of 4 divided by s square plus 4 square. That is a divided by s square plus a square form. That is 3 into sine 4t. So the answer is 3 into sine 4t. Next one is inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s raised to 4. We have the formula Laplace transform of t raised to n is equal to n factorial divided by s raised to n plus 1. Then Laplace transform of t cube is what? 3 factorial divided by s raised to 3 plus 1, that is 4. 3 factorial divided by s raised to 4. So inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s raised to 4 is what? T cube divided by 3 factorial. Here Laplace transform of t cube is 3 factorial divided by s raised to 4. So here we have inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s raised to 4. That is t cube divided by 3 factorial. Next is, and here you can write it as t cube divided by 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. That is t cube divided by 6. Next one is inverse Laplace transform of s minus 4 divided by s square minus 4. We have the linearity theorem. So this can be written as L inverse of s divided by s square minus 4 minus L inverse of 4 divided by s square minus 4. Now Laplace transform of cos h at is what? Laplace transform of cos h at is s divided by s square minus a square, and Laplace transform of sin h at is equal to a divided by s square minus a square. Here we have L inverse of s divided by s square minus 4. That is L inverse of s divided by s square minus 2 square. So that is what s divided by s square minus 2 square is cos h 2t minus here 4 divided by s square minus 4, that is 2 into L inverse of 2 divided by s square minus 2 square. 2 into 2 is 4. So this can be written as 2 into L inverse of 2 divided by s square minus 2 square, that is sin h 2t. So the answer is cos h 2t minus 2 into sin h 2t. Cos h 2t minus 2 into sin h 2t. Next one is inverse Laplace transform of a1 divided by s plus a2 divided by s square plus a3 divided by s cube. By the linearity theorem, this can be written as a1 into L inverse of 1 by s. Here a1, a2 and a3 are constants, so we can take it outside by linearity theorem, plus a2 into L inverse of 1 by s square plus a3 into L inverse of 1 by s cube. Now, Laplace transform of 1 is what? 1 by s, and Laplace transform of t is what? 1 by s square, and generally Laplace transform of t raised to n is equal to n factorial divided by s raised to n plus 1. That is, a1 into L inverse of 1 by s is what? If Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s, then inverse transform of 1 by s is 1 plus a2 into L inverse of 1 by s square, that is t, plus a3 into L inverse of 1 by s cube, that is t square divided by 2 factorial. Laplace transform of t square is what? 2 factorial divided by s raised to 2 plus 1, that is 2 factorial divided by s raised to 3. Here we have 1 by s raised to 3. So, a3 into t square divided by 2 factorial. So, the answer is a1 plus a2 into t plus a3 into t square divided by 2 factorial is 2. 2 into 1. So, the answer is a1 plus a2t plus a3 into t square by 2. Next one is inverse Laplace transform of s plus 1 divided by s square plus 1. By linearity theorem, this can be written as L inverse of s divided by s square plus 1 plus L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus 1. Now, L inverse of s divided by s square plus 1 is what? Cos t, plus L inverse of 1 by s square plus 1 is sin t. That is, Laplace transform of cos at is what? S divided by s square plus a square, and Laplace transform of sin at is equal to a divided by s square plus a square. Here in the place of a we have 1. So, Laplace transform of cos t is s divided by s square plus 1. Cos t is equal to s divided by s square plus 1. So, inverse Laplace transform of s by s square plus 1 is cos t. Similarly, L inverse of 1 by s square plus 1 is sin t. So, the answer is cos t plus sin t. Next one is L inverse of 2 divided by s square plus 16. This can be written as, we know that L inverse of sin at is what? A by s square plus a square. So, here we can write it as 2 divided by s square plus 4 square, that is 16. We have on numerator we have 2. So, 4 by L inverse of 4 by s square plus 4 square is what? Sin 40. So, just multiply with 2 and divide it with 2. What we get? 1 by 2 into L inverse of 2 into 2, 4 divided by s square plus 4 square. Then the answer is 1 by 2 into a by s square plus a square. Here a is 4. So, the answer is sin 40. So, the answer of L inverse of 2 by s square plus 16 is 1 by 2 into sin 40. Here we have only 2. So to make the form of a by s square plus a square, just multiply it with 2 and divide it. So this becomes 2 into 2, 4. 4 by s square plus 4 square. Here we have 1 by 2. So the answer is 1 by 2 into sine 40. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Speak with Math and share it. Thank you.